Hello guys and welcome back again to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, we'll talk about Pepe on Tron token. You will see right here that it goes up or maybe it going to the moon, guys. And within one day, it raised up to 9.49%, almost 10%, guys. So volume is 165, 18.16%, up to 70 million FTF, 1.23%. and 1 billion peppercorn total supply, guys. In community sentiment, it has a 57% positive, it will go up, and then 40% it will go down, guys. Also, you will see the chart here at the CoinGecko or CGC, guys. It goes up to 0.070, and if you want to buy this one, you can use MoonPay or OKX wallet, guys. And your 1 USDT can get you up to 4.14 pieces of this meme coin, guys. Okay, so this is their Twitter. SumpUp meme token, their Telegram, guys. We are moving back up slowly. Better grab yourself a bag before it's too late. This Halloween, the only thing scare than ghost is missing out on Pepe on Tron, guys. Okay. So this is their current website. So tokenomics ticker Pepe supplies 1 billion, 0% tax, LB burn. Ownership renounces. The most memeable meme coin in existing. This token has no intrinsic value or representation or financial return, guys. So just keep that in mind. So download the Tron link or your wallet or choice from the App Store or Google Link Store. Desktop user, download the Chrome extension by visiting the Tron link website. So have a TRX in your wallet to switch to PIP. If you don't have any TRX, you can buy TRX from any exchange to be used in PIP or buying this token, guys. So this is the contract address. I will link that or put that on my description down below. To make Tron great again, launch stealth with no pre-sale, zero taxes, LP burned, and contract renounced. PIP is a coin for the people forever, fueled by pure memetic power. Let's show you the way, guys. Okay, so here's their Twitter. Just follow their Twitter, guys. Again, this is the current price of this Pepe on Tron, and it goes up again to 8.78%, guys. This is the live chat of or live chart of CoinGecko. It goes up again a bit of 0.0706 from 0.0705, guys. So I think that's all. If you want to buy this token, just let me know. Or if you want to invest on this Pepe on Tron token, guys, let me know. But invest what you can afford to lose every time on every meme coin that you choose to invest, guys. So again, this is Crypto Hasi. Bye bye.